Minimalist apartments are celebrated for their clean lines, simplicity, and sense of calm. However, one challenge many people face when embracing minimalism is preventing their space from feeling too sterile or lacking personality. This is where indoor plants become the perfect design companion. By introducing carefully selected greenery, you can add warmth, texture, and life to a minimalist apartment without compromising its uncluttered aesthetic. The key lies in choosing the right plants, placing them strategically, and maintaining balance throughout the space. When done correctly, indoor plants transform a simple apartment into a sophisticated sanctuary that feels both modern and welcoming. Why indoor plants and minimalism work so well together? At first glance, minimalism and indoor gardening may seem like opposing concepts. Minimalist design focuses on reducing excess, while plants add visual elements to a room. Yet the two complement each other remarkably well. Plants introduce organic shapes that soften the sharp lines commonly found in minimalist interiors. Their natural textures create visual interest without overwhelming a space. A single plant can serve as a focal point, eliminating the need for multiple decorative objects. Moreover, indoor plants contribute to a sense of tranquility. Their connection to nature helps create a relaxing environment, making even a small apartment feel more peaceful and inviting. In many ways, plants embody the minimalist principle of achieving maximum impact with minimal elements. Choose plants with simple and elegant shapes. One of the most effective ways to maintain a minimalist aesthetic is to select plants that have clean, sculptural forms. Instead of filling every corner with numerous varieties, focus on a few statement plants that naturally attract attention. Popular choices include snake plant, Sansevieria, rubber plant, fiddle leaf fig, ZZ plant, bird of paradise, Monstera deliciosa. These plants feature bold silhouettes and structured growth patterns that align perfectly with contemporary minimalist interiors. For smaller spaces, compact plants such as pothose, Chinese evergreen, or peace lily provide greenery without taking up significant visual or physical space. Remember that minimalism favors quality over quantity. A single healthy, well-positioned plant often creates a stronger impression than several smaller plants grouped together without purpose. Select neutral and minimalist planters. The planter is just as important as the plant itself. Decorative pots can either enhance or disrupt the minimalist atmosphere. Choose containers with simple shapes and neutral colors such as
white, black, gray, beige,
terracotta, natural stone tones. Materials like ceramic, concrete, matte metal, and natural clay complement minimalist interiors particularly well. Avoid overly ornate designs, bright patterns, or excessive decorative details. The goal is to allow the beauty of the plant to remain the focal point while the planter quietly supports the overall design. Matching planters throughout the apartment can also create visual consistency and reinforce a cohesive aesthetic. Use plants as intentional focal points. Minimalist decorating relies heavily on intentional placement. Every item should have a purpose, and plants are no exception. Instead of scattering greenery randomly throughout your apartment, identify areas where plants can serve as visual anchors. Examples include a tall plant beside the sofa, a statement plant near a large window, a sculptural plant in an empty corner, a small plant on a dining table, a single plant on a floating shelf. By giving each plant room to breathe, you highlight its natural beauty while preserving the spacious feel that minimalism celebrates. Negative space is an essential design tool. Leaving empty areas around your plants helps them stand out and prevents the room from appearing crowded. Incorporate different heights and levels. A minimalist apartment benefits from visual variety, and plants can help create that variety through height differences.
Consider combining
Floor plants, tabletop plants, floating shelf displays, hanging planters. This layered approach draws the eye naturally around the room while maintaining a balanced appearance. For example, a tall bird of paradise in one corner can be complemented by a medium-sized snake plant near a desk and a trailing pothose on a shelf. The result feels dynamic yet organized. The key is restraint. Focus on creating subtle variation rather than filling every available surface. Let natural light guide your design. Plants thrive when placed in suitable lighting conditions, and proper placement also enhances the overall design of your apartment. Position larger plants near windows where they can receive adequate sunlight. Natural light highlights leaf textures and colors, turning plants into living decorative features. If your apartment receives limited sunlight, consider low-light varieties such as ZZ plant, snake plant, cast iron plant,
Pothose, peace lily.
Placing plants where they naturally flourish reduces maintenance challenges and ensures they remain healthy and attractive over time. Additionally, sunlight interacting with greenery can create beautiful shadows and visual depth, adding another layer of interest to minimalist spaces. Embrace a nature-inspired color palette. Minimalist interiors often feature neutral color schemes dominated by whites, grays, beige tones, and natural wood finishes. Indoor plants fit seamlessly into this palette by introducing shades of green that act as natural accents. Green is calming, versatile, and visually refreshing. To strengthen the connection between plants and the surrounding decor, consider incorporating complementary natural materials such as light wood furniture, linen textiles, woven baskets, stone accessories, cotton fabrics. These elements create harmony while preserving the simplicity that defines minimalist living. Avoid overcrowding your apartment. One of the most common mistakes people make when decorating with plants is acquiring too many of them. While indoor greenery is beautiful, excessive numbers can undermine a minimalist design. Before purchasing a new plant, ask yourself, does it serve a specific purpose? Does the room genuinely need it? Will it enhance the existing design? Is there enough space around it? If the answer to these questions is unclear, it may be better to wait. A curated collection of plants often appears more sophisticated and intentional than a large assortment.